Hey there, FatalZ gamers. I'm Yakman, coming at you with another tips and tricks video with everything you need to know about making gems. Let's start with the short shopping list. You're going to need to acquire a screwdriver from the hardware trader at the main trader or the Cummy trader. Then you're going to need a furnace kit. This has everything you need in it to assemble with the screwdriver you buy before that. And last but not least, the anvil. It comes in a wooden crate. It does not need a wooden log. Ignore that. Everything you need is inside if you have the screwdriver to assemble. Now put the screwdriver in your hand and find where you would like to place your furnace. This is relatively easy with the screwdriver in your hand. Stand where you want the furnace to go, drag over the combined square, let off, and then hold your left mouse button down until it fully crafts the furnace. Bada bing, bada boom, easy peasy. Now for the next step. Every bit is simple. You want to place your anvil usually right next to your furnace just to keep things simple so you're not walking all over the place. Same deal. Go ahead and drag that over the combined square, let off, and then hold left mouse button. Bada bing, bada boom. You've got your anvil. If you don't like the placement, it's not a big deal. Just keep that screwdriver in your hand and simply disassemble it. We'll give you the box kit on the floor again unless you use a different tool that will tear it completely apart. Then it's a simple matter of replacing. Nuggets can be found on the map through either killing robot zombies and looting them or potentially through floor loot. They stack in counts of 10. Just take a 10 stack into your hand, look at your furnace, and hold left click to process this 10 stack into your first ingot. You'll need 4 total stacks of 10 to make 4 ingots. You then hold a stack of 4 ingots in your hand and look at the anvil. You're going to want to look towards the bottom and center of this anvil to aggro, but once again hold left click to process those ingots into a gem. You can then stack the gems and take them to the black market where they sell for a nice payday. And it's as simple as that. Hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, safe travels.